Want more views without making 10 times more videos? Most creators miss one small content gap that multiplies growth, and I'll show you how to close it in just 3 steps. Hey, if you make videos, this short guide will highlight the exact gap blocking your reach plus practical fixes you can use today. Gap 1. Your content and viewer intent aren't aligned. You might be making great videos, but are they answering the question people are actually searching for? For example, someone searching how to edit Reels wants a quick step-by-step, not a 10-minute software history. Match the intent. If it's a quick tutorial, give them short, direct steps. If it's a deep dive, make it longer and more structured. How do you fix it? Check the search phrases in YouTube's search suggestions or use a keyword tool. Then, create a one-line intent statement for each video. I help X do Y in Z minutes. If your video doesn't satisfy that statement in the first 30 to 60 seconds, you need to rework the hook. Gap 2. Weak structure, audiences, and YouTube. Reward watch time. If your videos just ramble on, viewers will drop off. The fix is simple. Front-load the value, use microhooks every 20 to 40 seconds, and add clear chapters. Here's a structure recipe. In the first 15 seconds, give them a hook and a promise. From 15 to 60 seconds, deliver the first core piece of value. Then, for the next couple of minutes, hit your second and third points with visual examples. Always end with a clear next step. Use things like on-screen timers, icons, and quick cuts to keep the momentum going. Gap 3. You're missing a distribution microplan. Just posting your video doesn't mean people will find it. Top creators slice each video into 3 to 5 short clips for Reels, Shorts, and TikTok, plus 1 or 2 carousel posts. Each slice has a single hook and drives traffic back to the full video. Here are your action steps. Create 3 vertical 15 to 60 second clips with captions. Write 1 pinned comment with a timestamp and a short call to action. And post 1 tweet-sized hook the day after your video goes live. Small, consistent promotion matters way more than sporadic shouting. Here's a 15-minute plan you can apply right now. First, spend 3 minutes writing a single intent sentence for your video. Second, spend 6 minutes restructuring your video into a hook plus 3 points with jump cuts. And third, spend 6 minutes exporting 3 vertical clips and writing 1 pinned comment. Do this for your next 5 uploads and track the changes in your click-through rate and average view duration. When I applied this framework, my average view duration rose by 30% and discoverability doubled for small videos. This isn't theory, it's repeatable. If you want the free 15-minute checklist and a CapCut template, hit like and subscribe. Or drop your niche below and I'll make a custom script.